Welcome people who want to talk and connect with new people by their voice. This is the review/guide how to use a new popular app called Clubhouse, drop-in audio chat, which is officially only released on Apple iOS. And in this video, I will tell you how to get into Clubhouse with the Android phones. Benefits of Clubhouse generally are that you can meet new people, listen to their stories and share your own, practice foreign languages, and gain new knowledge from experts or just listen to some gossip if you want. In any case, you can have some fun here, but be aware of overusing it because it can easily become a procrastination. Basically, this unofficial app works almost the same as official. It is a bit limited, but it won't stop you from having a great experience of Clubhousing. There are all basic functions like login for current users and creating a new account for new users. The app is connected to your phone number, and it's important to use your full number with the code of your country starting with a plus. You will receive an SMS to this number with verification code which you type in. Then you generate your name and username, the same way you do on Instagram. Then your username is connected with your phone number and it's reserved for you. If you don't have an invite, you will have to wait until you get one. If you have already been invited, you are allowed to start Clubhousing right away. As the first one, you will see the feed with the rooms. Those rooms are chosen based on your interest and people you follow. So you can use search function to find some people or clubs to follow. After you have some followings, refresh your feed with swipe down gesture. Then you should be allowed to see rooms your followings are in right now. You can join a room by clicking on it. In the room, you will see and hear the speaker section with bigger pictures, then audience section with special section called followed by speakers. By default, you will pop up in audience section, so you can't be heard, but you can listen. And then you can click raise a hand, and if moderators of the room accept it, a message will pop up so you can join the stage. Your microphone becomes muted by default, and you can be heard after you click microphone icon, which appears in the place where a hand was before. You can share every room link on social media or messengers, and also you can leave every room quietly. Moderators can also make you a moderator, so you can invite people from audience to the stage, make them moderators too, and also move speakers back to audience. And in the end of event, you can also close the room. You can invite your friends if you know their full phone number. Just keep in mind that it's important to insert code of country starting with a plus. If you are inviting people from Android, the invited user won't receive any message like on iOS. They just need to open the app and he or she should be invited. Sometimes official Clubhouse developers can slow down registrations for new users, maybe for security reasons, so you have to wait a couple of hours or even days. You can set up your profile by adding your picture, bio, your Instagram account, and you have one chance to change your name and username, but be careful with that because after one change you can't go back. You can also show other users' profile info with their profile picture, which you can zoom in by clicking on it. You can see their followers and followings and also your mutual followers. Also, there is a follow button and you can block them or share their profile on social media or messengers. The best thing is that you can click on their Instagram or Twitter account and start to follow them on these social networks and immediately see more of their pictures or videos here. So you can get better picture with who you're talking. You can even start your own room, set its name and add emojis. And there you can invite people from audience to the stage, give them a moderator function or move them back to audience. At this time there is missing a ping somebody into your room function, but you can share a link to your room through social media or messengers. Notification function will show you if someone followed you, shouted an event, or if someone pinged you into the room, so you can join them instantly. You can show upcoming events, so you can prepare for rooms that are planned to start. If you are new to Clubhouse, you first should follow some people, so in your rooms feed you can see the rooms they are in. If something is not working or some bug appears, for example if you can't be heard as a speaker or can't hear other speakers, you can fix it by leaving a room and come back instantly. The speaker or moderator feature will remain with you, or sometimes just restarting the app will help. Clubhouse needs a permission for using your microphone, but the communication is not encrypted. And that's the reason why some companies command their employees to uninstall the app because of secure their business secrets. You may be wondering how this unofficial application could have been developed. A programmer from Korea analyzed the communication between the client and the Clubhouse server and found out how to program its clone for different platforms. Based on this, another person called Griska programmed an Android application and published it on GitHub, from which several versions were derived. These versions are in different phases of development and with different functions implemented, so we are still looking for the best version so we can share it with you. If you like this video and don't want to miss any new updates, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Every links are in the description, and that was everything for this video. You can share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.